Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do kettlebell swings with dumbbells. This will be an easy workout tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. Now, generally speaking, kettlebell swings are done with kettlebells. I have a kettlebell right over here, so you do something like this. And the reason is because when you're swinging the weight, you want to have a good grip of it like this. Now, if you don't have a kettlebell, you can still do a kettlebell swing, believe it or not. You can just use a dumbbell instead, okay? So basically, there are going to be two types of dumbbells that you might be able to use. You have this type right here, which is like a hex dumbbell. Okay, it's like a hexagonal kind of pattern. And then you have a weight plate dumbbell, which has a much flatter, wider top. Now, I would recommend that you use the weight plate style dumbbell, which has the wider top because it's easier to grip. But if you don't have it, like for me, I only have these hex dumbbells. This is the one that my wife uses right here. I'm using it for this tutorial. You gotta use what you have. Any workout is better than no workout at all. So essentially what you're gonna wanna do is grip it on the top. So if you have a weight plate dumbbell, let me bring it a little bit closer. If you have a weight plate dumbbell, you're gonna essentially put your thumbs on the top and you're gonna grip it like this over the sides, like that, okay? On either side, on both sides, like that, okay? If you have a hex dumbbell like this, you're gonna grip it sort of like this, okay? So as you can see, this is how I'm gripping it right here. It's not so important that, it's better that you have a good grip of it than you try and keep it loose. It's better to have a good grip and when you bring it up, it goes on an angle than to try and keep it loose because then you run the risk of, like losing control of it. So essentially you wanna spread your legs out, you wanna squat down a little bit, and you're gonna take your dumbbell in the position. You're going to swing it back. Now, you're not going to go much further back than basically between your knees. You want your hands to land between your knees. And then when you come up like this, okay, you're going to not go higher than shoulder length. So I'll show you this way right here. Okay, between the knees, shoulder length. Between the knees, shoulder length. Just like that. Now, I've seen a lot of people go like this. Woo! They're going nuts. No. You want it to be controlled. Between the knees, shoulder length. Between the knees, shoulder length. Just like that. Okay? So if you don't have a kettlebell and you still want to do kettlebell swings, that's how it's done. It's literally that easy. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.